Alina, what is the matter? You got up so early today. Yes, Grandma, because today I have a lot of work. All the grocery at home is also finished. Today I will try my best to sell all my vegetables and bring all the goods while returning. Alina, my child, you have to face so much trouble just because of me. After your parents passed away, the responsibility of this house and me also fell on you, due to which you have to work so hard day and night. Grandma, don't say this. I have no one else in this world except you. That is why it is my responsibility to take complete care of you. And I will always fulfill this responsibility. But please forgive me for today. Because of me, today you will have to stay hungry. But I promise you that this will never happen after today. Grandma, I am leaving now. It is getting late. Please take care of yourself. Yes, Alina, I have full faith in you. Now go carefully and return before sunset. I will wait for you. I think today I have put too many vegetables in my basket. It has become very heavy. But it doesn't matter. Auntie Sarla's house is nearby. I am sure she will definitely buy some vegetables from me. After that, the weight of my basket will also be reduced. Hey Alina, so early in the morning today? Yes, Auntie, I was going to the market, so I thought I would give you vegetables. You will take the vegetables, right? Sorry, Alina, I am going out of the village for a few days, so I don't need vegetables. I am sorry that because of me you had to come so far to my house. It's okay, Auntie, I did not face any problem in this. And whenever you come back, just let me know, and then I will come again to give you vegetables. Yes, Alina, of course, I will come to your house myself and tell you. Coming early did not help either. Half a day has passed and still none of my vegetables have been sold. What should I do now? I had promised Grandma that today I will sell all the vegetables and bring home all the grocery. Hey daughter Alina, how are you? You look sad. What is the matter? No uncle, there is nothing like that. I am absolutely fine. Tell me, how are you? Do you want any vegetables? I am also fine, Alina. I needed vegetables, but I don't have money to give you. I have not been able to get any wage work for many days, so I am not able to earn anything, and I am very upset about this. It's okay, uncle. Don't worry. Everything will be fine soon. I will give you your favorite vegetables right now. Thank you so much, Alina. May you always be happy. I will pray that all your dreams come true. I don't know about dreams, but all this is no less than a bad dream. No one should ever have to face such days. It's time to go back, and like every time, today also my vegetables were not sold. Grandma will feel very bad after seeing all this. She will feel very sad for me. Well, I should go back home, or else she will start worrying about me. Talking to myself, I did not realize the time. Just look how late it has become. Grandma must be very worried about me. But how can I walk with this basket? It is very heavy and I am so thirsty. Yes, there is a pond nearby. I will first go there and drink some water. Hey, what are you doing in such a deep pond? You could have drawn. Come to your senses now. Everything is fine. You are absolutely safe. Thank you very much for helping me. If you had not come here at the right time, I don't know what would have happened. I'm very happy to see that you have so much sympathy even for a small creature. If someone else was in your place, he would never have helped me like this. I can't believe my eyes. You are a fairy. I have never seen a fairies and you even know me. Yes, Alina, you are right. We fairies don't come in front of humans. But I have no problem in coming in front of you because I know that I am not in any danger from you. And yes, we know everything about everyone. You live with your grandmother. But what are you doing here so late at night? It took me a little longer to return today because my basket was very heavy and it is very difficult to walk with it. And I was very thirsty too, so I came near this pond. Hey, do you want vegetables? If you take some vegetables from me, the weight of my basket will be reduced a little. And trust me, all my vegetables are fresh and very tasty. No, Alina, I don't want these vegetables. And I'm sorry, I'm going to increase the weight of your basket a little more. What do you mean by that? I did not understand anything. What is this? Golden vegetables? Yes, Alina, golden vegetables. This is your reward. Now you will be probably spend your whole life happily with this. Take this and go to your grandmother. And remember one thing, always help every needy like this. I will always remember these words of yours. I am leaving, Alina. Take care of yourself. I should reach home quickly and tell all this to Grandma. Grandma, this is how the fairy